Hi, my name is Noreen Harawa and welcome to my channel. I'm going to paint a landscape, but I'm going to do it in 4 parts. Part 1 is going to be a short video on how to paint some clouds. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it, and please paint along with me. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Okay, this is part 1 and it's a short video on how to paint some clouds. But before we do that, I'm just gonna quickly paint the sky, and I'll be using titanium white and phthalo blue. So titanium white and phthalo blue. Okay. Okay, we're done with the sky, and then I'll move on to the clouds now. Okay, I'm just cleaning the brush. Now for the clouds, I'm going to use titanium white, and because I'm going to also put a little bit of gray, just under the clouds, I'm also going to use ivory black with a little bit of phthalo blue and titanium white, but I'll start with just titanium white. Okay, we have our sky, and we are now going to put the clouds, and for the clouds I'm starting with just titanium white, and I'm using the fan brush, so using quite a lot of paint. Okay, and you can decide wherever you want to put your clouds. I'm gonna put one here, and I'm using the circular motion, clockwise. Okay, okay, and I'll put another one here. Okay, and I'll put maybe another one here and another one here. Again, it's just this circular motion. Okay, now as we go towards the horizon, they become much thinner, so I'm going to put a few thinner one here and there. This one you can't actually see. Okay, so I've done that, so you can see, and as I mentioned, I'm going to put gray, as if it's gonna rain on some of them. Okay, and I'm gonna use to create that gray, I'm gonna use ivory black, a little bit of phthalo blue, and titanium white. Okay, again, I'm just in some gray, and there's the gray color, and you can choose whichever you want to put. I'm putting it gray, a little bit gray here and down here. Okay, maybe some here. Okay, I didn't put on all of them, but as you can see, okay, there they are. So now I'm gonna come back and blend, but just the bottom of the clouds, just the bottom. So I'm coming back and just blending the bottom of them, and this time I'm doing anti-clockwise. Again, it's circular motion, but anti-clockwise, and blending just the bottom of the clouds, not touching the top. Clean my brush and then back again, just circular motions again. So just blending the bottom of them. Okay, so now I've blended the bottom, and I'll then come back and just go gently across, hardly touching the canvas at all. So just gently across, very gently across. As I say, hardly touching the canvas. Okay. I'm just going across, but very gently. Okay, so that's it. As simple as that. Okay, I don't know whether you can see. There you go. See? There we go. Yeah. So we've done our clouds, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. So the next video, which is also going to be a very short one, we'll be painting some grass, and that will be part 2. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, this very short one, very simple. And you know, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.